Welcome to EMI-PD Academy. Today we will talk about the articulation of the th sound. It could be sometimes challenging to articulate it, but for now, with a little bit practice, we will try to articulate it easily. In order to articulate this sound, the tip of your tongue should be out of the mouth. As you see in the photo here, you can articulate this sound easily. Let's go. Here we have some pictures and words, and we will try to complete them in order to articulate the th sound. 3. Thumb. Thin. Those 3 thumbs are thin. Okay, let's continue. Think, think. Can you recognize the difference? Think, think. Sing, think. Okay, this is the difference, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, here we have a story. Hello, I am think 1, that is think 2. Hello, I am think 2, this is think 1. I have 3 thumbs. I think that is wrong. You only have 2. Okay, did you understand the articulation of the th sound, ladies and gentlemen? In order to articulate it easily, please practice it more. Bye-bye.